Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 the GMC Savanna 3500 159-inch wheelbase with the 6-liter Vortec V8. That Vortec V8 has made it to the 6-speed automatic for a total price of the truck itself of $37,133. I do not know the full cost of everything put together. So it has a Unicell body. No backup camera on this one, which is a little tricky, but you get used to it. This thing is massive. Dual rear wheels. Oh yeah. Do they seriously just not? There. There. Whew. No backup camera here. Don't need it if you use your mirrors. I should probably show you the Cutaway itself. Here's your Cutaway. Put on the tachometer. All right, now I gotta watch that. I should clear that. Yeah, we're cleared. Clear of that. Now we're set. Or not, because there's a bug in here. These things are just so unique. These, especially this wheelbase and everything, is one of the most common school buses, well, shorter buses on the market. These things can be turned into just about anything you want. Six-liter Vortec, tons of torque. Not feeling down on power. Little bumpy over the bumps, but not bad for a commercial vehicle. I love these things. I don't know why. I just do. They're just so unique to drive. Even though they've been around for almost 15 years without a major redesign, there's really no room for improvement. Interior's not crazily dated, especially in the segment. It's just overall really nice. You can get satellite radio, you can get a backup camera, you can get everything you want in here. I'm not sure the maximum length on one of these. I think this might be the longest one available. There might be one bigger. I'm not sure. Do not quote me on that. Either way though, this thing is massive. What's awesome is it doesn't drive much different than the van. You know, without looking behind me, I have no idea how big this thing is. And that's tough to do. It's tough to make it feel smaller than it really is. What a machine. I love these things, honestly. Yeah, everybody complains. Oh, it's old. Oh, it's a bus. Oh, well, it literally is a bus. You know, it's big, it's heavy. These things are awesome. And for the capabilities they have, honestly, for a daily driver, if you own a business, this thing is perfect. This thing is just awesome. Now I see why there's fleets of these things. Honestly, Amazon should use more of these instead of Sprinters, but they probably have a deal with Mercedes. I actually like this more than the Sprinter. Especially when you take costs into effect. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.